Here we have a problem that was on the IB examination, I think in 2018. It is about the forces that a charge carrying wire experience when in a magnetic field. And those magnetic fields are going to be caused by other wires. So we have three parallel wires, X, Y, and Z, carrying equal currents. The currents in X and Z are directed into the page, as you can see. And the current in Y is directed out of the page. Which arrow shows the direction of the forces experienced by wire Z? And we have our options A to the right, B to the left, C down, and D up. So let's take a look at this problem. I'll pull up a canvas. So to recreate the problem, just in some rough detail, we have X, we have Y, and we have Z. Okay, so this is wire X, here's Y, and here's Z. Now, I've drawn this, these are all equally distanced, it looks like. But the important fact here is that Y is closer to Z than X is. So we know that the magnetic field around a charge-carrying wire, a current-carrying wire, is going to use the right-hand corkscrew rule. So if we put our thumb into the page here, then around this wire X with the current into the page, then that means our thumb goes around and I get fields that go around this way. Now, when this thing is coming, Y over here is coming out of the page. So if I point my thumb out of the page, I get fields going around that way. So these fields from X extend all the way over here to Z, and these fields from Y extend all the way over here to Z. But since Y is closer, I'm going to have a net upward magnetic field right here at Z. So if B is going upward and Z is going into the page, the current of Z is going into the page, and my net magnetic field over here is upward since Y is closer, then the force I know is going to be the direction of the current into the page crossed with the vector, which is up. So if I were to take my fingers and point them into the page and then curl my fingers up, I'm going to get that I'm pointing over to the right. So the answer is A. Try that. Now that you know the magnetic field is up, point your fingers into the page because this current is running into the page. And then when you curl your fingers up, your thumb should be pointing to the right. So going back over to the question, right is A. So the answer is A.